In emergencies, the simplest items often become lifesavers. Power outages, storms, or even unexpected injuries can happen to any of us without warning, leaving us scrambling for supplies. According to a 2021 survey, only 46% of Americans have an emergency kit that includes supplies that will last for several days after a disaster for everyone living in their home. Also, the American Red Cross encourages everyone to keep emergency kits on hand ready. This highlights the importance of being resourceful with what's already in your home. In this video, we'll explore 24 everyday items you likely already own that could become lifesavers in a crisis, from trash bags that can insulate you from the cold to aluminum foil that can reflect light to signal for help. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Duct tape. Duct tape is versatile and incredibly strong, making it indispensable in emergencies. You can use it to repair torn clothing, damaged equipment, or broken furniture quickly. In a pinch, duct tape can also seal windows or doors against extreme weather, adding a temporary layer of protection. Beyond repairs, duct tape can serve medical needs. For instance, it works as a makeshift bandage when paired with cloth or cotton. This tape can also splint minor injuries, stabilize joints, or even secure a broken tent or tarp in place, shielding you from harsh elements. Number 2. Trash bags. Trash bags may seem simple, but their applications in an emergency are extensive. They can function as waterproof liners, protecting important items like documents, electronics, or clothing from rain or flooding. Slip them over your feet or clothing in wet conditions to prevent hypothermia in extreme cold. They're also useful for creating makeshift shelter. A large trash bag can double as a rain poncho or windbreaker, and when filled with leaves, it can act as bedding to insulate against the ground's chill. Trash bags offer warmth, protection, and dryness, making them essential in emergencies. Number 3. Bandana or scarf. A bandana or scarf serves multiple purposes in an emergency. It can be used to filter dust, dirt, or smoke when wrapped around the nose and mouth. This protection is vital during events like fires, sandstorms, or debris-filled environments. A bandana also works as a tourniquet or sling in the event of an injury. Wet it and place it on your forehead to cool down or wrap it around wounds to control bleeding. This versatile piece of fabric becomes a handy tool for safety, first aid, and temperature control. Number 4. Candles and matches. Candles and matches provide light and warmth when power is unavailable. A candle can light up a room, making it easier to move around safely. Matches, especially waterproof ones, are ideal for starting fires for warmth or cooking. Candles can also serve as a heat source in confined spaces. Place one in a tin can to safely contain the flame and create a small heater. Keep these items stored in accessible places to be ready during power outages or cold weather. Number 5. Whistle. A whistle is a small yet powerful signaling device, especially in times of an emergency. It produces a loud sound that can draw attention from a distance, crucial if you're lost or need to alert someone nearby. A whistle uses less energy than yelling, making it useful in situations where conserving energy is critical. Keep a whistle within reach, attached to your keys or backpack for easy access. Its loud sound can deter potential threats or animals in outdoor settings. This item is simple but highly effective for ensuring your safety in emergencies. Number 6. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil's flexibility and heat resistance make it useful in various emergency scenarios. Use it to cook food over an open flame, which could be essential during power outages or outdoor survival situations. Foil also reflects light, so you can use it to signal for help during daylight. Wrap it around items to keep them dry, or make a simple funnel for collecting rainwater. Aluminum foil's versatility and durability allow it to serve multiple purposes in a pinch. Number 7. Plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are readily available and highly adaptable in emergencies. You can use them to store drinking water, reducing your risk of dehydration. If clean water is scarce, a plastic bottle can even be used in a solar water disinfection method to purify water. Beyond hydration, plastic bottles make effective containers for storing small items. They can also be cut into strips for cordage, creating makeshift ties for securing items together. Plastic bottles help meet critical needs for hydration and organization. Number 8. Lighter. A lighter can be a lifesaver in emergencies by providing quick and easy access to fire. Use it to light a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling for help. Its compact size makes it easy to carry with you, ensuring it's always ready when needed. Lighters also have many survival applications, such as melting rope ends to prevent fraying. They provide a more reliable ignition source than matches in windy conditions. Keeping a lighter on hand helps you stay prepared for any situation requiring heat or light. Number 9. Paracord. Paracord is lightweight but incredibly strong, making it useful in many scenarios. Use it to create shelter by tying tarps or branches together. It can also serve as a makeshift clothesline or hang food supplies out of reach of animals. In medical emergencies, paracord acts as a tourniquet, sling, or splint for stabilizing injuries. You can unravel it for thinner cord sections if needed. Paracord's versatility in construction and emergency aid makes it essential in any crisis. Number 10. Zip ties. Zip ties are small yet sturdy fasteners that can secure items together quickly and effectively. They work for fixing broken zippers, fastening gear to backpacks, or creating makeshift handcuffs if necessary. Zip ties can also be useful for organizing cables or securing doors or windows in emergencies. Their lightweight design and ease of use make them an invaluable addition to any survival toolkit. Number 11. Can opener. A manual can opener provides access to canned food when no other food sources are available. Many people overlook this essential item, but it's vital for accessing stored food during power outages. A can opener's simple design makes it easy to use, even for those without experience. Keeping one on hand ensures you can open food supplies without relying on electricity, maintaining nutrition in prolonged emergencies. Number 12. Flashlight. A flashlight is essential for nighttime visibility, enabling safe movement in the dark. Modern LED flashlights offer bright, long-lasting light that can cover large areas. They're also effective for signaling if you're trying to draw attention. In addition, flashlights help with navigation through debris, broken paths, or unfamiliar territory. Keep one with fresh batteries in your emergency kit, ensuring you're prepared for any nighttime or low-light situation. Number 13. Cotton balls and petroleum jelly. Cotton balls combined with petroleum jelly create excellent fire starters. Simply coat the cotton in petroleum jelly, and it will ignite easily and burn for several minutes. This is helpful when you need a fire in damp or windy conditions. These items are also useful individually. Cotton balls aid in minor wound care, while petroleum jelly soothes dry skin or minor cuts. Together, they provide essential support for warmth, first aid, and comfort. Number 14. Pocket knife. A pocket knife is one of the most versatile tools you can carry. Use it for cutting rope, opening packages, or preparing food. Its compact size makes it portable, allowing for quick access in emergency situations. In survival settings, a pocket knife can be invaluable for defense, hunting, or even first aid, such as cutting bandages. A quality knife offers numerous functions and is an excellent asset in any emergency toolkit. Number 15. Baking soda. Baking soda's cleaning and deodorizing properties extend into emergencies. It helps treat minor burns, stings, and even certain digestive issues when mixed with water. Baking soda can also put out small fires, making it a quick fire-extinguishing option. In water treatment, a pinch of baking soda neutralizes acidity, making water more palatable. Baking soda's versatility in health, safety, and hygiene ensures it has many roles in any emergency. Number 16. Paper maps. Paper maps offer reliable navigation when digital devices fail. They provide geographical insight, allowing you to assess nearby resources, escape routes, or high-ground areas in a crisis. With a paper map, you're not dependent on batteries, signals, or electronics. Maps also serve as communication tools, enabling you to plan routes or mark specific locations for safety. Number 17. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer helps maintain hygiene, especially when clean water is unavailable. It reduces the spread of germs, decreasing the chance of infection in injuries or food handling. Beyond hygiene, Alcohol-based sanitizer doubles as a fire starter. Use it with a spark or match to ignite a quick flame. Its dual role in sanitation and survival makes hand sanitizer indispensable in emergencies. Number 18. Dental floss. Dental floss is surprisingly strong, making it useful in various emergency settings. It works as thread for stitching up clothes, gear, or even wounds if necessary. Floss is also helpful for tying items together or creating snares for small game survival. Its lightweight and compact size make it easy to carry, ensuring it's available when needed. This everyday item has hidden strength and versatility that can prove vital in survival situations. Number 19. Credit card. A credit card can prove useful beyond financial transactions during emergencies. Its sturdy material allows it to function as a makeshift scraper, helping remove ice from windows or even sand off rough surfaces in a pinch. In survival situations, a credit card can be shaped into various tools. You can sharpen its edges to create a basic cutting tool or use it to spark a flint for starting a fire. Keep an expired card in your kit for a simple yet effective multi-purpose tool. Number 20. Coffee filters. Coffee filters serve practical functions beyond making coffee, especially in emergency situations. They can act as a preliminary filter for water by removing larger particles before further purification. This can be helpful when only contaminated or murky water is available. Coffee filters are also excellent as fire starters. They burn easily and sustain a flame even when slightly damp. Lightweight and easy to pack, coffee filters offer surprising uses that make them a helpful addition to any emergency kit. Number 21. Salt. Salt is an essential item that can offer several survival benefits. In hot climates, adding a pinch of salt to water helps replenish lost electrolytes, reducing dehydration risk. Salt also aids in preserving food, a vital function if refrigeration is unavailable. Salt can also serve as a natural antiseptic. It disinfects minor wounds, reducing infection risk. You can even use salt to control ice buildup, creating safer pathways during winter storms. Salt's simple, versatile properties make it a valuable emergency staple. Number 22. Newspaper. Newspaper may seem like just old paper, but it's remarkably useful in survival settings. It serves as an effective insulator, keeping you warmer by acting as a layer under clothing or bedding. This can be crucial in cold environments when warmth is limited. Newspaper can also help start fires. Its thin paper burns quickly, helping to ignite kindling. Rolled tightly, it can be used as temporary kindling on its own. Keep a few sheets in your emergency kit as a lightweight, multi-purpose resource. Number 23. Vinegar. Vinegar's versatility makes it an excellent item for emergency situations. Its natural acidity acts as a disinfectant, killing germs on surfaces or minor wounds when clean water is scarce. Vinegar also helps relieve certain insect bites, easing irritation and reducing infection. Beyond hygiene, vinegar can act as a mild cleaning agent. Use it to clean food or water containers, ensuring they're safe for reuse. The wide range of uses makes vinegar a valuable, easily accessible emergency tool. Number 24. Carabiner. A carabiner's compact design and strength make it ideal for emergencies. Use it to clip items to bags, helping organize your gear and keep essential items accessible. Carabiners can bear weight, enabling you to hang food, water, or shelter materials. Carabiners also work well for creating pulley systems in rescue situations or lifting heavier items. Their design makes them easy to handle in urgent situations. Adding a carabiner to your kit ensures a simple but powerful tool for carrying, securing, and handling emergency supplies. Prepare with peace of mind. Emergencies can take many forms, and preparation isn't always about buying the latest gear. Often, it's about knowing how to use the simple items we already have in ways that go beyond their intended purpose. Starting with duct tape's fixes to the warmth a trash bag provides, these tools offer peace of mind. Stocking up on essentials is wise, but learning hidden uses enhances readiness for unexpected events. By recognizing these items' potential, you're not only making your home safer, but also turning it into a resourceful haven. Keep these tips in mind, stay safe, and remember, the simplest things can sometimes be the most powerful. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.